How to make your UpScrolled account private. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you're trying to make your UpScrolled account private, then first of all launch open the UpScrolled app on your device. Once you are logged into your account, go to the bottom right corner and tap on your profile icon. From your profile section, tap on the gear button at the top right corner. From the settings menu that appears on the screen, tap on Account Privacy. On the next page, toggle on the button right next to Private Account, and now you have successfully changed your UpScroll account from public to private. Now you can create, edit, and explore with peace of mind. So that's how you easily make your UpScrolled account private. You can always switch it back to public whenever you want by coming to this same menu and switching off the toggle button right next to it and ensuring your change. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.